Hello, Thomas Tuck here with CR Onsrud at our North Carolina factory. And behind me, we have our high-speed extrusion processor, the 5-axis X Series. We built this CNC machine for a customer who manufactures roll-up overhead doors and grills used in industrial and commercial buildings. They work with a wide range of aluminum extrusion sizes and profile geometries, and this machine will give them the accuracy and speed they're looking for. As you can see, the X Series has a heavy steel bridge, base, and dual vertical columns, which are fabricated and stress relieved here in our shop. This steel construction provides a solid foundation for stability, rigidity, and long-term durability. The bridge is positioned with rack and pinion and precision guideways that are driven by independent Fanuc servo motors. Superior performance, high-speed machining, and smooth finish quality is made possible by the linear guideways on all axes and precision ball screws driving the Y-axis and Z-axis. Our customer will get the consistently accurate cuts they require for years to come. To ensure the most effective work holding solution without limiting machining capabilities, we have optional servo-adjustable pneumatic clamps instead of the standard manual position clamps. Without operator intervention, each clamp is automatically positioned. A clamp can be relocated according to the program or temporarily moved out of the way so the machine can continue processing material without stopping production. These quick change soft jaws allow for easy part loading and unloading and fast changeovers. The work holding for each clamping system can be swapped in and out efficiently to accommodate different profile shapes. These shoes have been customized for their most common extrusion profiles to get them into production quickly and to reduce changeover time. With this customer's build, we included programmable air knives. Air knives clean harmful debris from linear guideways and are especially beneficial when dealing with the chips from hard composites, fiber cement, or in this case, metal. Now let's talk about some other advantages of this machine and how the X Series can benefit manufacturers who need to process profile extrusions or pultrusion material. The length of this X Series machine is 24 feet. However, there are a wide range of sizes available to accommodate short or very long extrusions. A longer length machine can also be beneficial for pendulum processing, a technique where the machine continues to run while the operator is at the opposite end, safely loading material or unloading finished parts. The machine will go back and forth, keeping that spindle running so you're getting as many parts out the door as possible. Standard with the machine is a material stop, and available with 2 if you're pendulum processing. This creates a consistent datum point, which is important for accurate material placement. When the cycle starts, the material stop pneumatically lowers below the machining area. The X Series has a work envelope that supports extrusion sizes up to 14 inches by 21 inches and can accommodate a range of wall thicknesses. The X Series is equipped with an 18 horsepower spindle, variable speed up to 24,000 RPM, and with an HSK 63F tool taper. If your application requires more horsepower due to a thicker wall or type of material, no problem. The X Series can be equipped with a 33 horsepower spindle, or we can discuss the EX Series, a big brother to what you see here, and a better fit with a 75 horsepower spindle. This machine is equipped with 5-axis capability and this nutating head. Here, the A-axis tilts and the C-axis rotates, allowing the spindle and head assembly to be more compact and fit into tighter machining areas while still providing rigidity. This supports the machining of more complex parts. The spindle is able to access all angles so material can be processed intricately and precisely from all angles and sides. This 5-axis spindle is equipped with encoder feedback, allowing for rigid tapping and flow drilling. With non-contact sensing, encoders provide real-time feedback and spindle data to the control system, such as orientation and RPM of the spindle. Without this information, machining strategies such as rigid tapping would be near impossible. In this customer's case, improving the capability for drilling and tapping operations was necessary and a main reason why the X Series is a perfect fit. The machine also has a 12-position tool changer designed for quick loading and retrieval. With the extensive tool library within our FANUC control screens, we make it easy to store information for over 100 tools if needed, and you're not limited to what's stored in the tool changer. We've also included an optional auto tool length measurement touchpad. When a tool has been placed into the tool changer, the operator can use this device to verify and accurately measure the tool length. This ensures machining consistency and accuracy, a critical step when pocketing or drilling and tapping holes, for example. The X Series also has a dedicated saw blade station that supports blades up to 450 millimeters. The spindle automatically picks up the blade to create intricate notches, miter cuts, and straight cuts. It can also be used as a cutoff tool. Now let's talk about scrap and chips, which you're going to create a lot of when sawing and cutting large pockets. Our enclosure design is unique and something competitive machines often overlook as an important feature, not only for safety purposes, but also for proper chip management. The enclosure roof has bellows to prevent chips from exiting the top and complemented with angled walls within the enclosure so the chips are gathered to the center of the machine frame where you can find the chip and scrap conveyor. When sawing, for example, cutoffs leave large parts and sharp corners that fall down into the conveyor. The rigidity of this belt is incredible and can handle this day in and day out. For added safety, we installed this laser scanner to create an invisible barrier and safety zone. If objects are detected within the area, the machine can either pause or stop depending on the zone setting, and the zone field can be customized to meet your safety requirements. The stack lights are used to provide a quick glance and reference to the current running state of the machine. Green means everything is running fine. If the machine is idle, it will light up yellow. Red is a critical alarm indicating the machine is stopped, and blue notifies you that the machine needs attention. And for additional real-time machine performance information, we have OSync Machine Analytics. This software helps keep a machine running in tip-top shape with information such as preventive maintenance schedules, data reports, productivity graphs, OEE comparisons, and more. It will also alert you of critical information by text or email. The other thing I want to touch on is the FANUC control system. These are very important because they drive the whole machine, and when I say system, it's more than just the operator console. FANUC servos, drives, cables, touchscreen controller, all of it, even the keyboard. We use FANUC because it's well known for reliability and longevity. FANUC has a 52-year mean time between failures and offers lifetime support for all their components, including the controls, drives, and servo motors. This means you'll never have an obsolete controller. FANUC is also the largest control manufacturer in the world with approximately 65% of the global market share and more than 3.9 million installs. FANUC provides the smoothest toolpaths and a stable platform to maximize your machine's uptime. Tied into that is the FANUC Manual Pulse Generator, or MPG, handheld remote jog pendant. This gives the operator manual control to move the axes incrementally for precise positioning during setup and testing procedures. And we also provide the CNC control interface. We've taken the same easy-to-use approach from our current operator control interface and added the most requested time-saving features in a visually appealing format. There are many advantages, but one key advantage is this interactive graphical interface. The HMI visually displays real-time feedback for clamp position, work zones, and toolpaths. This information allows the operator to quickly recreate parts and programs, among other capabilities. This machine is about ready to ship to our customer and ready to run with minimal setup time. Once on their shop floor and included in the purchase price, our installation technician will prepare the machine for production and will train their operators on proper operating procedures and maintenance. The X Series comes with a 2-year warranty, 24/7 support, and an option for yearly preventative maintenance. If you're struggling with processing linear profiles or suffering from downtime due to lack of service and support of your current machine, I hope this machine walkthrough gave you some insight into machining possibilities. And if you're in need for more information about the X Series, or if you're looking for an American-made solution specific to your application, give us a call. Thank you.